You've probably seen these anti-bird spikes before. They're a type of hostile architecture usually placed on ledges or the tops of buildings to keep birds like pigeons from roosting there.
So, as it turns out, some birds are smart enough to dismantle those. And some of them were making nests out of the spikes, some were impaling other animals on them, and some will literally tear them out and just drop them on the ground. Obviously, with the sheer number of birds that exist in some places, these things are still bound to injure some of them. Even the dull plastic ones are likely to hurt smaller birds that are still learning to fly. And I can understand if you run a business and you just want to protect your property, but I'd imagine a small graveyard of birds is infinitely more off putting to customers than any damage that the birds could cause on their own.